Hi guys, it's me. So today I wanted to do a flip through of this journal that I finished. I started this journal in 2018. I don't know the month, but I wrote it down here. I also did do a video of how I created the cover. I'm debating if I will include that. I probably will include that in this video too. So I'll do the flip through and then there'll be like a fast forward of how I created the cover for this journal. So this is a journal that I make with watercolor paper and cardstock. There is a video on how you create these journals. They have about 10 pages in them. They're really easy to use and they work out pretty well. So I'm excited to show you. So on the front I just put art and I did some stamping and some collaging. And I added a few pieces of washi tape. So I did that on back and forth. I love this tissue paper that you can get from Hobby Lobby. They discontinued it though, so I'm totally hoarding it. I only have, I think, 2 more sheets left. So that kind of sucks, but hopefully. And what I did for the covers is that I did collaging. So I just did a quick collage, which I will also include in the video so you can see that. So I waited until the journal was all finished and then I collaged. The next time I'll probably collage this first, just to give it a little bit more stability, and also because it was kind of a pain in the neck. I did put some washi tape on the spine of the book because I did use watercolors and things that I probably should not have used on cardstock, but it looks really cool. It turned out great, and I love the way that it looks with the collage. And I have so many paper scraps. This is such a great way to use them. Okay, so the first page I did based on a video that I watched from Creative Bug. Pam Garrison, I think that's her name. She does these kind of doodle borders, and then she does just words inside. My lettering's a little different, and of course everything is different, but I just use regular markers and glitter markers from the dollar store. This is kind of, these journals are meant just to kind of explore and use kind of cheap materials. I don't think that you have to have expensive materials to create beautiful pages, and I really love the way this turned out. I did get a little bit of paint here, so I just painted over it, but normally I wouldn't care, but because I was doing a flip through I wanted to show you guys. This one was fun. So this one has oil pastels and watercolor, and then I did some black ink, and I did a little bit of like metallic pen work and some lines, and I think I recorded this too. And then I said listen to the music inside because this was a process video that I did with music. So I made all the lines with oil pastel with music. I think I was listening to Christina Aguilera, the song that You Lost Me. Yeah, so I kind of, you just go with the rhythm of the music, and it's really fun. And I just put a piece of washi tape here, and then I added listen to the music inside. This one I did for my class, so it has paint and oil pastels, and it's just a hymn note, and then I added a scripture, so it's John 12:31, and it just talks about being humble and loving God and being of service to others. So I really like how that one turned out. This one is a collage page. It's a process video that I will share with you guys. So this one again is about service. So I just love this image of this dad, and there's this little boy. I got this image from just a book, and the dad's out in the rain so that this little boy can bury his little fish. And I just think that, you know, parents do so much, and parenthood is all about emptying yourself and thinking about someone, you know, and doing all these little probably annoying things that you don't want to do. So I just thought that that was such a beautiful image. And then it has kind of a funny joking thing. This is from Reader's Digest. Where did you put the aspirin? Like, that's what he's asking his wife. That's the name of the chapter. So I think that was really funny. And then I just have these little kind of just print out, so it says celebrate the little things. So, you know, when he gets older, he'll think about the little thing that this dad did just by being kind to him and being of service. And then love and serve when it's not easy, right? Because sometimes it's not easy to love people. This is from a game that I got for my nephew. It's like a Halloween game that I found at a yard sale, and little kids had played it, and they marked, so I collaged that down. I thought that was really cute. These are stickers, and then this is supposed, I don't know what happened to this, but it says you got this. Should be, I don't know what happened to the rest of it, but you got this. And then it said I found my life when I laid it down. So I just put just some words that I need to hear, make this life matter. And then I did Galatians 5, 22, verse 23a. So it just talks about the fruits of the Spirit are love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, gentleness, faithfulness, and self-control. So I think that those are all good traits to have. I did use a little bit of crayon too. I've been exploring using crayon in my work. Again, just having fun and just creating a beautiful collage, which I love. So I use washi tape and paint and collage, so it was really fun. And then this one is Create a Mess, and this one was inspired by Alyssa Burke. I think that's how you say her name, hopefully. But she does these beautiful spreads where she does like a statement right in the middle, either a poem or something like that, and then she does like these little color fields, and she does doodling and stuff. So I was kind of inspired by that, so I just did Create a Mess in colors that I normally do not use. So this was created with acrylic paint. This one was really cool. This is Embrace Your Journey, and I got this image from a dollar store coloring book. It's just a black and white one, and they had really cool images, and I just did ink and again crayons and washi tape, so really easy. This is from like the security little part, like when you get stuff in the mail, and then those are stickers. And then this one was fun. I really love using my scraps in my art journal, so I just put down scraps, did a little bit of printmaking, some doodling, went around the heart, and added a couple stickers. So that was pretty basic, but it was really fun. And these pages don't take that long to create. And then this one I love. It says, I will love the light, for it shows me the way. Yet I will endure the darkness, because it shows me the stars. So I wanted to do, I really love this color. It's a really beautiful color. I think it's Persian blue, and it's really dark and deep, so it reminded me of a really pretty sky. And I just added some star stickers and did a little bit of dots with like this glittery pen, and then that you get from the dollar store. And I just love how this turned out. I will probably outline the letters though, because I think that they kind of settle in, but I really love the words. It's really powerful, and these are a really fun way to create a page. And then I'd like to do lists in my art journal too. So top 3 candies, saltwater taffy, lemon heads, and red hots, just did some doodling. And then these are sticky notes that I decorated. And then this says smile today, be you. So this is just like literally like, I think I had another piece of paper that was my palette, and I just went like this and pushed it down and then did some doodling. And then I did some doodling, and then I added stickers and shapes. And then this is a really fun technique that I love, where you just use paint and you make marks. And then currently I did that because, again, I like list making too. I think it's so fun, and it doesn't have to be boring. Like, you don't have to use pins or anything like that. You can incorporate your art into it. So I just did a really quick watercolor background on cardstock, which I don't recommend, but I tried it, and just did some fun little marks and things like that. And I added a little bit of washi tape. So these are the things that I was currently doing. And then this one's really cute. It has just cut out hearts, and I glued those together. There might be a process video for this one, I'm not sure. And then and it's weird that I'm doing the flip through before I put out the process videos, but you'll get to see them if I have them. I've been filming a lot. And then there's these, and then these are paints, and then black pen. And you just do that. I'm sorry for my loud, crazy family. Please forgive me. So you just, these are fun. You just kind of make shapes, and then you use your white pen to add things. And then this one, I just made, because I had paint on my palette, and I just took like a lid of a glue stick probably, and just went around with it. And then I did my biggest fears, and then I wrote down the things that I'm afraid of. So very cool. And then this one was an abstract watercolor. I really love making abstract watercolor paintings, and it's just with really cheap paint. It's very chalky, but I don't mind that. And you basically just make marks and then you add mark making to it. And then this is an ATC that I did inspired by that same technique. Some of my patrons might have received this before I closed down my Patreon. It was an ATC that I created for them, so really fun. And I did things that make me happy, so I made a little list. And that's it. And I really love these kind of journals. They're really easy and unintimidating to finish, and it's just really nice to have a book that doesn't have like 400 pages in it. You could use whatever kind of paper you want to create these. So I'm going to create a watercolor version of this too. But it was a really fun process and I enjoyed it a lot. So I hope that you will make one of these journals, and I hope that you enjoyed the flip through, and maybe it will inspire you to really watch the videos, the process videos of how I created some of these pages. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. So this little baby is going on the shelf with my other journals that I finished. So I'm really proud, and keep watching because there will be a speed through of how I made the cover of this journal, and a little bit of how I did the collaging on the inside too. So yeah, but it has a 3-stitch binding. I did reinforce that with a little bit of washi tape, as I said before. It is a little loose, the binding. Maybe I should have done 5 holes. That might have been better, but it's just because I did watercolor and I used tons and tons of paint. So that doesn't help too much. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye-bye.
Tears roll down your cheeks. I know now it's on me. I'll be setting off alarms, you be turning off alarms. You be laying in my arms, I'll be stacking up my arms. I'm driving you crazy, you seem more mad lately. You cry, but I try.
Girl, I am the one that you want. I'll be the one that you need. I be, girl. Don't even know what you want. Love like Sierra Leone, diamonds all over our throne. Still I be wrong.
You go hard for me, I'll be on my ego thing. You be telling me that I hurt you sometimes. Well, I never meant to hurt you, baby, or make my baby cry. Stay, 'cause you're still my pain, and we're good, so don't cry, pretty. Tears stream down your face. You need now your space. You be pulling me closer, I can't come any closer. You laying on my shoulder, I'm standing on the shoulders of all that I am changing only for you, baby. You cry, but I try.
Girl, I am the one that you want. I'll be the one that you need. I be, girl. Don't even know what you want. Love like Sierra Leone, diamonds all over our throne. Still I be wrong.
Go hard for me, I'll be on my ego thing. You be telling me that I hurt you sometimes. Well, I never meant to hurt you, baby, or make my baby cry. Stay, 'cause you're still my babe, and we're good, so don't cry, pretty. Come and lay in my arms, I'll keep you safe in my arms. Don't be setting off alarms, fall asleep in my arms. Come and lay in my arms, I'll keep you safe in my arms. Don't be setting off alarms, fall asleep in my arms. Early in the morning I'll be waking up and you'll be mad about things things. Every single morning I'll be waking up and you be sad about me. Let's enjoy the moment. Let's enjoy the moment. I just want a good moment. Let's be in it for a moment. Cause I'll be here with you. Go hard for me. I'll be on my ego thing. You be telling me that I hurt you sometimes. Well, I never meant to hurt you, baby. I'll make my baby cry. Cause you're still my baby. Oh, good. So don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, baby. Early in the morning I'll be waking up and you be mad about things. Every single morning I'll be waking up and you be sad about me. Let's enjoy the moment. I just want a good moment. Let's be in it for a moment. Let's be in it for a moment. Come and lay in my arms. I'll keep you safe in my arms. Don't be sitting up on your arms. Fall asleep in my arms. Come and lay in my arms. I'll keep you safe in my arms. Don't be sitting up on your arms. There's so many things that I remember. The way you used to put me first in things.